Hey all you DFW viewers, I'm Julian Reyes live at the 83rd Annual Academy Awards. Now all the people I've seen so far, including that beautiful statuette behind me, are all dressed to impress. Here's a quick glimpse of all the red carpet arrivals.
I'm wearing Vivienne Westwood.
Marchesa.
Armani Prouvé. Dior.
It may have been cold, but the red carpet colors and gowns were bold, bright, and robust.
What I love about Oscars 2011 is usually a majority of the women wore black or nudes or that gold tone that Sandra Bullock did last year, but this year was the opposite. Almost every girl on this carpet had either a nude tone, a red, or a lilac.
Actress Daphne Zuniga was sparkling in Nicole Miller. America's it girl Sandra Bullock was radiant in red, and lavender and lilac were perfect shades of purples for both Blanchett and Kunis. Although it was chilly, skin was still showing, and the bling was still glowing.
Armani.
Gucci.
McConaughey in Dolce, Timberlake channeling the Sinatra look, and ship-shaped navy trends were all arrayed. But most of the men on the red carpet kept it black and classic. Wow, those were some definite hit and misses on the carpet. Now to get a full recap of the entire show, you can check us out every Fridays at noon on the ION Network. But for now, live from the red carpet in Hollywood at the Kodak Theater, the home of the Oscars, I'm Julian Reyes. Back to you in DFW.